Hello friends, welcome to Squaird Plans, where creative planning and organization comes to life. I'm Stephanie, and today we're going to be setting up the month of May in my monthly memory planner. We'll decorate a monthly spread and a curly page in a classic Happy Planner setup, so come plan with me. And I got some various washi tapes here ready to go, as well as this fine liner I may use, this Happy Planner sticker book, and this Planning Things sticker book, which I'll pull from. Okay, let's go ahead and lay down some wax paper and get started on the design. For this month of May, I have a birthday. So it's a really good time actually, because I do like to do seasonal themes, and May is kind of late spring, not quite summer yet, but maybe like just before summer starts. So it's a little bit harder to theme it out seasonally. So I really like that my birthday fell in this month, because then I can always do a birthday theme and make something work. However, I am very short on birthday stickers, so I kind of will compilate a birthday theme together using some old school planning ideas using stickers. And one of my favorites, which is to do circle stickers as balloons. Now, I normally do my memory keeping on this spread, and that means I use every day to its fullest. I'll usually mock up a memory each and every day on this spread. So I am using those circle stickers as functional space, as well as their final look, which will be for balloons. We'll hopefully be able to make this work. I do have some plans to, make strings and things for the balloons, so that really sells the balloon idea. And that will bleed into some of the other days. So I may have to write my memory right on top of that, or white it out behind the words. I haven't quite figured out what I want to do yet once we get to that point. But I'm thinking to just put these balloons right in the center and use them functionally, so that I can do something a little different. I am usually very limited on what I can do here, because I do use it functionally, all of the space. So we're trying something this month. We'll hopefully come up with something that will be both cute and functional. So I'm pulling from two sticker books here, mainly pulling from the color story book for the circle stickers and the quotes. But I saw a few birthday stickers in the newest Planning Things sticker book that I got. I think this one is maybe Seasonal Fun. Not 100% sure on the name, but it will be listed down below in the description, along with the name of the Happy Planner sticker book, and links to those in case you like anything from there. But anyway, so I saw some random birthday stickers, and not really a lot of them, just kind of more like a subtle birthday party possibility on that sticker sheet. So I'm just going to pull in some of those balloons, and there's like a birthday hat just to give a little bit more birthday vibe. And then I also saw this ice cream bicycle situation sticker on that page, and I just liked the way it looked. It kind of gave me some summer vibes, and at the end of the month going into summer, I think that kind of worked with it, as well as the color scheme. So I pulled that in there just to fill up some space there at the bottom, and then of course those quotes from the Happy Planner sticker book there at the top in the empty days. And on my actual birthday, I'm adding a bit more decor there as well. I'm also pulling in some confetti washi. This washi I got forever ago from Joann's as a set. It's a little bit waxy. I don't know if you guys have had a waxy washi before, but the top of it is very slick and not like a normal paper washi where it's more like paper. Just a little bit of a different feel for this washi. It does make it easy for you to put things down on it and change your mind and pick them back up. So that is one benefit, but it is a little bit different than a normal washi. That said, I thought that the confetti would be a really good addition for more of a party feel to the spread. it has black dots, but also it has the same colors as the washi that I pulled, which was a yellow, like a teal tone, and then a pink tone. And there's just a few scattered dots in and around that black confetti in that washi. So that's why I ended up starting with those washi tapes being pulled in to add a little bit more color to the theme. Since the colorful circles are, fairly light, and there's not really a strong color base here on the spread. But since I've already pulled the circles and realized that there's some colors in there that didn't quite go with the washis I had pulled, I ended up pulling in a purple washi. And also, I think a lime green washi I'll be pulling in here in a second as well, just to tie it all together. And I'm doing a bit of my washi layering trick just to give a bit of a gradient feel to the washi. And I think that really helps add that color I felt was missing from the spread. I normally like to do things in threes, but I was having trouble balancing it out. So we're just going to stick with 2 on this spread, more of a mirror image type thing, or kind of a reverse mirror with the placement. So I cut those washis in half and have a few extras there to use on the back page, which I'll be doing as a currently page. And I think we'll just start with that, see how that goes. And okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get started on the actual spread by whiting out some of those areas where the stickers are going to lay. Just behind, so that the clear sticker doesn't have a big black line going through it. And I didn't quite do enough, so we'll go ahead and do some more down here in the corner, since I can see I'll need some going higher up. And then, of course, the same thing over here with this quote. Definitely need to white out some of these vertical lines as well. So I give those a moment to dry, and then we'll drop in the sticker cluster. And I can see there's even more that I need to white out, just again to get that clean look behind some of these. So I'll do that as I go. Kind of give it a second to dry, maybe not as long as I would normally, but that's okay. Just kind of wanted to get it down. I am taking up some functional space here with decor stickers, like with the quotes, and then that umbrella and bicycle sticker at the bottom definitely takes up a little bit more functional space. So we'll see how it goes. I'll have to keep my memory fairly short on those days. I'm also putting those circle stickers not directly on the days because I want them to look like balloon clusters. So it is making the writing in a little bit more tricky, I'm sure, once I get to that point. But we'll figure it out. And I'll lay in some more stickers over here around my birthday. And then, of course, yes, white out behind those. I think that's good. Go ahead and lay in the supporting circle stickers for a bit more balloon action. Like I said, it's going to be different to write in my memories this month, but I was getting kind of tired being limited to where I could put things down on the spread as far as the decor. So it's always nice to see if something else might work, and that's what I went ahead and did here. So okay, I've got the circles where I want them, and now I need to figure out where the strings might go. I was originally going to do straight strings, but I was having trouble with the geometry of where those would meet and make a clean look, so we'll just do the wavy strings. You can see that some of those will be a little bit awkward. I don't know how I want to finish them either at this point. I'll go ahead and pen them in to some kind of meeting point, but I don't have a plan beyond that. Normally when I draw those in, I'll do like a little bow or something, but I just don't think that's going to look good. So we will clean up the pencil marks and figure something else out to finish the balloon strings. I'll go ahead and look through the Happy Planner sticker book again, see if there's anything I think might work to kind of finish those out. Thought maybe I could make a little block using that sticker, but that was too clear. I didn't think that was going to work. And then there were these rainbows, which were sort of cute, but not quite right, especially because they were paper stickers. And then I saw that they had these little sayings here, and there happened to be 3 of them that says, I think Happy Plans is the first one. There'll be 2 more. So I think we can use all 3 of those to just kind of end the balloon somehow. This one says fun times. I think the last one is focus on you, which I guess kind of works for a birthday month. Just want to clean up that washi tape. It was a little sharp there at the end. And also trim off any excess hanging off the edge. I think that's going to do it for the monthly. I'm going to go ahead and stick down that wax paper once again and figure out what we're doing for the currently page. So this is where I normally just track what movies and TV I'm watching and then what books I've read. The last month I think I separated out audiobooks from regular books. This month I'm just going to do my normal books because I think I'm only going to have time to read 1 or 2 real books, if that. So we shall see how it all comes together. And then I'll pull in, of course, some more of that washi tape, try to figure out how to make that look good. And I'm using those large circle stickers this time from the Plan Anything book to give me a bit more room for tracking. I also pulled in the smaller stickers from the Happy Planner sticker book, but I'm not sure what to do with those at this point, so we'll see how they get incorporated. I do try to use my scraps, so I was going to try to use that one confetti piece that I didn't end up using before, but it was a little too small, so I went ahead and put in another piece, a little bit longer of confetti washi. I also brought in a couple of quotes. As you can see, I actually cut one off where it said celebrate. It used to say celebrate every victory or every tiny victory. And I just wanted the word celebrate because of the color scheme and the birthday theme. And then there was one that was similar, dream big, so I went ahead and put that in. Also had a second version of those balloons from the Plan Anything book, so I'm going to go ahead and bring those in. Again, kind of selling that birthday party idea. And then the birthday hat, I went ahead and just put it on the word celebrate for, again, more of that birthday feel. So I'm going to go ahead and put those smaller circle stickers back. I just didn't really see a way to incorporate those. Keep things fairly clean here. And now I'll just transfer this over and figure out what we'll do for the strings on this one. I decided to place this washi at the very bottom of the page as opposed to having it higher up like I had before. Just felt like I didn't want to deal with cutting out the hole around the washi tape, so that was just a lazy move. It worked. I didn't have to really do anything over there, which was nice. Went ahead and laid in at the top there with the quote as well and the washi. And then we will drop in these giant circle stickers and figure out their strings. I, of course, pencil everything in first because you guys know I mess up all the time And I have friction pens in my planner to make sure that nothing looks super messy. So a pencil is my friend when I'm using a permanent fine liner. So I'm just penciling in the words books read, TV watched, and movie seen. I started out with those straight on and then decided to follow the curve of the circle, which I liked a little bit better. So I'll put that in now with the fine liner that I pulled and clean up all of the pencil edges as well. So I think that's going to do it. I will try to make this hat lay a little bit better here on the word celebrate. But once I'm done with that, you guys, we will be done, friends. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up down below. Also, go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch. And think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. Bye.